Welcome back to Market Minute USA. Today is Friday, January 23, 2026, and we are heading into one of the most unpredictable weekly closings of the year. If you think the Greenland deal fixed everything, you are missing the bigger picture. While Wall Street is trying to stage a relief rally, the smart money is pouring into safe havens at a rate we haven't seen in decades. First, let's look at the metals. Gold has just surged to nearly $4,900 an ounce, and silver is holding firm above the historic 3.30 Indian rupees lakh mark. Why? Because even though Trump backed down on the European tariffs for now, the geopolitical trust is broken. Central banks are front-running the retail market, dumping U.S. treasuries and stacking physical bars. The message is clear: the world is hedging against a 2026 currency reset. If gold closes above $4,850 today, the path to $5,000 is wide open for next week. Second, the Jerome Powell DOJ investigation has taken a darker turn. Leaked internal memos suggest that the investigation isn't just about a building project, it's about curbing the Fed's power to set interest rates independently. This is a direct attack on the foundation of the U.S. economy. If Powell is forced to resign or is indicted, the U.S. dollar could see a historic depegging event from global trust. Markets hate uncertainty, and right now, the Fed is the biggest question mark on Wall Street. On the tech front, Nvidia and Tesla are fighting for survival in a crowded AI market. While Nvidia's Vera Rubin chips are dominating the data centers, Tesla is struggling to prove that its vision-only FSD can compete with Nvidia's new reasoning-based AI models. Analysts are calling Tesla the worst trillion-dollar stock to buy right now, while Nvidia remains the gold standard. Watch for a massive Friday sell-off in tech as institutional investors trim their exposure before the weekend. Finally, we have the PCE inflation data coming up. If inflation stays sticky, the Fed will have no choice but to keep rates high, even as the economy slows down. We are in a stagflation trap. My strategy for today: do not chase the green candles in stocks. The whales are using this Friday bounce to exit their positions and move into gold and cash. If you aren't hedged, you aren't trading, you're gambling. Market Minute USA will be live for the closing bell to see if the bulls can hold the line or if we're heading for a Black Monday, Part 2. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and tell me, are you holding stocks over the weekend, or are you moving to gold? Let me know in the comments.